Stop buying into the hype and start buying revenue. 99% of crypto traders lose their money because they're just guessing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you one tool that will tell you exactly which projects are actually making money right now. So stick around for the rest of the video to see how you can really grow and actually improve your trading game. Let's go! Trading cryptocurrencies involves risks like price volatility and market risk. So before you decide to trade cryptocurrencies, please consider your risk tolerance. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm now on the official Tokenterminal website. So make sure you go to tokenterminal.com, and this is what the website looks like. So as you can see, we have the products here, the new announcement, which I'll talk about in a minute, or the new tool. Then you can get listed. There are pricing resources and also an about section. You can also see that they have a lot of blockchain data, and they're trusted by many different companies, which really gives them that extra bit of credibility. So if we scroll down, you can see it's a full stack on-chain data platform, and you can go and read through their website a bit more. You can see that their customers have left really good reviews as well. Let's go back here and start talking about what this tool from Tokenterminal will actually offer you in the real trading world. What it does is introduce the concept of financial reality into the crypto world. So while other people are just staring at charts, this tool will actually show you the fees and the revenue you can make from a certain token. This lets you go and actually calculate which tokens you're trading are truly profitable, so you don't waste time searching for profitable tokens, because this tool will tell you right away. It'll tell you the fees as well as the revenue. So that's a total game changer, just by saving you time and effort and telling you exactly which coins are worth your attention. Like I said, it's just blockchain data, and it will show you exactly which blockchain will be the most profitable business for you. Okay, guys, so I'm going to explain another point to you about what Tokenterminal actually is. So Tokenterminal is basically the Bloomberg terminal for crypto. So if you've never heard of this, I'm going to tell you what it means. What it does is it actually aggregates financial data for blockchains and apps. So it actually standardizes things, so you can go and compare these tokens like stocks using ratios or even revenue. Okay, guys, and another great thing that Tokenterminal actually has is their price to sales ratio feature. So what the price to sales ratio feature really does is it finds undervalued gems that are actually earning more than their price would indicate. So this will help you find your next 100 times gem, because price estimates aren't always accurate, and this tool will help you discover the token that's actually earning the most. Okay, guys, and last but not least, they also have a competitive comparison feature. So you can actually go and instantly compare real competitors like Uniswap and SushiSwap and see who's really getting more genuine growth from their users versus just inflationary needs. So that really shows you just how good Tokenterminal actually is. They have a ton of great reviews, and they offer a bunch of tools like the ones I just mentioned in this video, which will actually help you earn more from trading. So go check them out for yourself. Stop trading blindly. Check the link down below in my bio to access the financial data that the whales are using right now, and this will help you find your next 100 times gem. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.